How to replace a 2012 Cadillac SRX 4-button smart key battery. Presented by SgtLocksmith. For this task you will need the following: 1 flat-tip screwdriver and 1 CR2032 battery. Time to complete this task approximately 2 minutes. The SgtLocksmith channel gives no warranty and accepts no responsibility or liability for the accuracy or completeness of the information and materials contained in this video. Under no circumstances will SgtLocksmith nor Specialist C. Brown be held responsible or liable in any way for any claims, damages, losses, expenses, costs or liabilities whatsoever, including, without limitation, any direct or indirect damages for loss of profits, business interruption or loss of resulting or arising directly or indirectly from your use of inability to use this video or any videos linked to it, or from reliance on the information provided in this video. And now here's SgtLocksmith.
Okay, so we're going to do our 4-button remote. If your key ring's attached to it, you're going to leave it on. Go ahead and hit your emergency release. Pull out emergency blade, just set to the side. You'll be tempted to use it on the inside. Don't. You will break the housing. Now when you look in here, get yourself a flat tip. I've got just a little decent size one right here, because all I want to do is I want to put it in. Let's see if I can get you a good view. I'm going to put it in, what, 1/4 of an inch to 3/8. There's a little lip right there, and all I want to do is get to right there, and we're just going to twist it. And just by twisting that, you've popped it open. Go and take the 2 halves, gently pull them apart. Now you notice the circuit board came out. Don't sweat it. You're going to take that, just match the buttons up. You got 2, you got 2, and then it goes 3 down. You'll want to put it back in there. That makes contact with your battery. Now here's where I think the remote could have got better. I just tipped it over, and here's everything that came out. We'll set that back in like so. I'll show you. If it comes out, don't worry. Here's your battery, CR2032. Go ahead and put your new one in. It goes in there, and you notice it comes right out with it. Like I said, this is not one of their better designs at all. But who are we? Now, let's go ahead. The battery's been changed out. We'll take the 2 halves, and when you go to put them together, you'll notice that wants to pop up. So the easiest way I found to do these, and this is just my suggestion to you, is go and put your rubber piece back in. Make sure it's on the 3 little tabs. Put the circuit board in. This is going to stay, and then when you go and put this back together, you go to squeeze it, it should line up. And there we go. Go around, make sure it's all sealed together. Put your emergency blade back in. Hit your lock, unlock. And there you go. You just changed your battery. Hey, thanks again for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.